Hey guys, this video should be quick and short and help you get through the parallel and perpendicular homework. So if you wanted to find a line that is parallel to this one, first you have to divide by the -1 because y has to be all by itself. So now you've got y equals x minus 6. This is your old line. Now, a parallel line means that they have the same slope. So a new line is same slope, any other y-intercept value you want. I'm going to choose +6. Okay? If I don't give you a point, then that's all you have to do. Okay, using that same old line, I'm going to find the perpendicular. Okay, so I already know that when I change it over, I get y equals x minus 6. Now for perpendicular, remember there's two rules. You got to change the sign, and you have to take the reciprocal. The reciprocal is when you flip the fraction. So my old line is y equals x minus 6. My new line, I have to change my sign, and I have to take the reciprocal. Well, this is 1 over 1, so that would still be 1 over 1. That doesn't change. But my sign, it goes from positive to negative. And I can keep the same y-intercept because I don't have a point. Okay? Now, if you're given a point, let's see. If you are given a point, here's my old x minus 3y equals 15. Okay, great, but I have to move stuff around. So minus x. So I'm left with negative 3y equals negative x plus 15 because this 15 is positive. Now I divide by -3. I'm left with, this is still my old. I'm left with y equals -1 divided by -3 is positive 1/3. Positive 15 divided by -3 is -5. Okay, but my point for my new line that I have to go through is -9, 8. Okay, well that's okay. Here's my new line. That's where it's going to go. I know it's going to be y equals, I know my slope stays the same, but what I don't know is my b. Okay, I don't know this part. So I'm going to plug in these two right here so I can solve for this. So my y was 8. 8 equals 1/3 times -9 plus b, because I don't know what it is. So 8 equals, that's -9 over 3 plus b. -9 divided by 3 is -3 plus b. 8 equals -3 plus b. I get rid of my 3. 11 equals b. So I take that and I put it right there. This is my new line. Okay, let me do a perpendicular real quick. So, using this same line, so I can just start right here. Here's my old. Y equals 1/3 x minus 5. My point is if I want it to go through negative 4, 1. Same thing. Except I have to change my slope using my two rules. Okay, change the sign and find the reciprocal of my slope. So my new y equals, I change the sign, it becomes negative 1/3. I flip it, I get negative 3x plus my I don't know. I use these, plug them in here to find my I don't know. Okay, y equals 1 equals negative 3 times negative 4 plus b. Because remember, y equals mx plus b. Negative 3 times negative 4, 1 equals, that's positive 12 plus b. Minus 12 minus 12. This is negative 11 equals b. So we're going to put negative 11. Now, you don't have to have this plus if you have a minus. You can also write it like this. Ta-da! Okay, email me if you have any questions. Okay, let me know what you need to know and I'll make another video.